Last week, I earned some dollars by publishing short videos that I just generated by Vmake Labs. Recently, World Cup is on hit, so I made several product promotion videos on my social medias, and actually I earned money by doing so. If you want to know how I did this, and if you want to promote your video by publishing on trending video, promise you will watch to the end. Let me show you how to make videos that actually can help you earn some money. Let's go! This is Vmake Labs. Well, most creators have the same problem. You have one simple photo, but you need content for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, ads, thumbnails, and product promotions, right? And every platform needs something new, something trendy, something that actually gets attention. So today, I'm testing a creative template workflow. The idea is simple. Can one normal photo of gems turn into multiple trend-based video ads? Not just random visual effects, but real marketing style things that feel ready to post. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your favorite host, James. Today, we are going to dive in Vmake Labs. Alright, before we started, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you won't miss out any other AI tutorials. Let's go! This summer, the biggest topic is World Cup. I also want to engage with World Cup as a YouTuber. Why not? This is very good traffic, right? But I don't want to spend a lot of time on it. I just want to make some clips that can go viral, get me some clicks. I want to stay in the hot topic like World Cup. And by the way, which team do you support? Let me know in the comment section. So, in Vmake Labs, if you are an ordinary people just like me, you can easily create incredible images and videos. You can use those tools, for example, like the video and image remover, remove everything from your photo, like somebody you hate, your ex, and video and image enhancer, video translator, and so many more. You can generate everything in Vmake Labs. And actually, you can turn the products into virtual social videos. If you are a marketer, you want to promote your product, you can easily find the tools in here. But for ordinary people like us, if we want to keep our Instagram or YouTube busy, if you want to get some clicks, you can use these tools. The templates are very rich, and I think Vmake Labs quite often. For example, we have a World Cup, right? This is the headline for every website. Like this fruit dramas, like this masterpiece drama. You can easily create the short drama videos, even make a series. Recently, I've been addicted to it. And of course, you can easily find some AI guys for your product. This is called AI avatars. They can hold your product in their hand and introduce all the features. This is very cool. And also they can introduce the various of the clothes. That's so dope. It's so quite useful. You don't need to, I think I don't need my camera anymore because AI can do so much and barely you need to filming anything. So today I'm testing a creative template workflow. The idea is simple. Okay, a lot of AI tools can make cool effects, but the cool effects alone don't always help you sell, promote, or build a brand. What actually matters is content. A product needs convincing. A creator needs recognizable trend. A social media manager needs content that fits that people are watching right now. That is why creative templates are interesting. They turn a simple image into a complete sales-driven thing. And because new templates are updated daily, you can follow major events and virtual trends much faster. Alright, so for the first test, I'm using a World Cup style template. That is perfect for current sports trend. Normally, creating this kind of a campaign would require a stadium background, lighting, motion graphics editing, and a full creative team. But here, I only need one image. Okay, let's go. So let's find the template that's suitable for me. Like what I said, if you are a marketing people and you want to sell and promote your product during the World Cup period, you really should try Vmake Labs. Okay, they are World Cup templates and we can totally modify it to our own version. So let's click here. We have a beautiful lady with holding the bottle and we can replace the product first. So let's click here, replace. And for today's video, I generated few images. So let's try out this James Cheap drink. Let's double click here, replace it. This is a totally fake drink. You can see my name, right? And I still want to use this lady, so just leave it here. Let's click create. And after click the button, we are bring to this agent page. And you can see our input images. This is my drink. This is this lady. And we got Vmake Labs agent. So give a second. Yeah, we generated this final image, that lady holding our drink. And now we are generating our final video. Your World Cup audience product promotion video is ready. Oh, let's click here. Wow, isn't that nice? Imagine we publish this in our social media. We can click here, download this video. And when you click here, you can copy this video. I think this is like a canvas where you can drag it and you can delete it. You can duplicate it, and you can even upload your material. Okay, this time let's try this little puppy. This is so cute, and this is kind of hilarious, right? Let's click here, try now. You can replace a product. Let's try to replace the product with our own. Let's try this one. You know, you can tweak the prompt beneath, but I prefer leave the prompt as what it is now. Let's click here, create, where the AI helping us to replace the product. Okay, our video is here. Let's click here to preview. That's so cute, right? And you can click here to download it, or you can modify it. You can directly ask AI to change the video. Okay, so this time let's try this one. I think this is just so cool. Let's click here, replace the drink, and here replace the human. I want to try, how about change it to me. I just uploaded one portrait of mine, and let's click generate. Alright, now we are back to agentic page, and let's wait a second for AI to make the trick. Okay, the results finally here. Let's click here to preview.
Great atmosphere in the stands. Hang on, this fan is getting up. This fan is coming down here. No, surely not. The fan is on the pitch. The shot is away! Oh my word, it's in! And he's celebrating with a bottle of James XC.
Oh my god, check it out this. And even I got my name on my shirts. That's so cool. Okay, what about this one? This is kind of a cool opening. I want to try this. And I think if I'm selling my product, if I really produce like drinks, this could be a very cool social ads, right? So let's replace the drink with our own, and let's click create. All right, we made it. Let's click here to preview. Wow. You know what? I think it's gonna be a hit on YouTube. So let's click here, download this video. And in the future, we can upload it to different social media to promote our brand. Okay, I also love this. This is legal World Cup style. And let's click here, try now, and replace it with our product. And click create. Oh, the results is finally here. Let's click here to preview. You know, it could cost you a lot if you spend money on a creative ad. But right now with Vmake Labs, you can easily do this. Let's click here, download. So, long time too short. If you want to catch the heat of the World Cup, promote your product on social medias, you want to build a hook for your customers, try Vmake Labs. Besides, you also have this creative templates and AI avatar studios that you can use. You can change, modify the people, the characters, replace the product with your product. Hey, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comment in the comment section. And I will see you on the next one.